I wake up at 6. The rain is soft. I wear my comfortable clothes. Then I go to work.
Good morning, dear Elsa.
Hello, my kind neighbor.
This soup is good.
We are like family. I make a list. Today we have enough. First, I check ingredients. I look at beans. First, I check ingredients. I look at beans. I use special sauces. I taste the food. Special sauces. I taste the food. I use gold light. It looks like stars. I use gold light. It looks like stars. I work very fast. The box is ready. I cook with care. I want it perfect. Things go very wrong. I must make it again. Things go very wrong. I must make it again. I clean the kitchen. Put the food away. I write my lessons. Patience is the key.
I brought you flowers.
That made my day.
I brought you flowers.
That made my day.
This soup is good.
We are like family. The shop is closed. I go home now. I rest my tired soul. The day was long. I take a bath. It feels very warm. It is raining outside. I am reading a book. I feel very proud. The day was good. Sleep well, my friend. It is my passion. Good night to all.